Welcome to the Chairman Television Station this Wednesday, August 10th, 2016. Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, on top of Star Times, channel 195, channel 17 for my TV. And those who watch us for internet now, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. For those when they're on top of terrestrial, that is when you just turn your antenna small, that one now UHF 57, Wazobia Max. And if you go watch us for Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja, we don't come again with that action politics discussion show. As it is hot, they tell you say every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say all the action to the way they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, discuss the matter, give you license to chook mouth this side and talk them the way when they prepare you for body, so that those when they need us go hear word, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name now Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern the political matter. As it is hot.
A beautiful Wednesday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Now as it is hot, we don't carry come on our way. That's political matters where they do it with something of different political activities. And today we're not go different. We carry the matter we did very fresh, we did very trending at the moment, and now they carry give now. And then very soon Chukwudi go do it, you go launch the matter for now. A lot of them, of course, if now go take them back to memory lane, now go know the matter what they talk about. Because now within they don't reintroduce now to ensure at least we bring in a lot of adjustment, a lot of what now call on to ensure at least we get a very safe society, and make that also be in mind. So we get 3 solid telephone line for now 1 2 3 line. 2 3 line we say now we'll call, now go talk, now get express and say. But when it comes to the payment, to call, I leave that one for us. My name never change. My name is Nkubi. And this now As It Dey Hot. Our
topic today now the one when we say plenty people inside the Nigeria don't they contribute inside the discussion. It got to do with the relaunch of the war against indiscipline. Make we break and make everybody understand. 31 years ago, when our present Presido Muhammed Buhari be soldier man, when they come out to the government of Alhaji Shehu Shagari, in start what they call war against indiscipline. They talk say indiscipline don't they present for our society. That's how we say people they behave anyhow. They can't give soldier people them koboko. Similar than the koboko anybody when we say it be like say the person now human being, but in sense be like he got old. They talk say they go use that one take koboko people, make that they behave the right way when they're supposed to behave. As he don't come back as Oga Presido for democracy now, 31 years later, he can look and say, with insecurity, kidnapping, militancy, and everything inside country, we need to ensure say we get discipline for inside our Obodo Nigeria. They can't relaunch the war against indiscipline on Monday, this 8th of August when pass. So, but people go on the ask say, wait, it be like say this government, that they fight war with everything. War against corruption, war against terrorism, war against insurgency, war against bad government, war against, but the only war where they do they fight, now the war when we say go come out suffering for the mind of Nigerians. We go throw our phone lines open quick, make yourself contribute to talk about this kind of war when we dey war against indiscipline. Now the right war where we need, when we go break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it is hot. We dey come back. Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi inside studio, and we don't drop the one we carry come today. The war against indiscipline, the relaunch by Presido Muhammed Buhari. We can't talk say Nigerians they ask say this particular war now. Now the war when we need to ensure say we put certain things in place, but we stop to they do like say we they distract Nigerians from the real business of government. Nkubi. From the real business of government now. Now they fight war now. Contribute to this war now they fight.
Well, the fight. Well, I never really know the angle where this fight won't take. Because before now, look, we also bring up from this angle. We know say they go through a very difficult moment now. And War Against Indiscipline in 1984, when our Oga Buhari was a military head of state. And comparing it to War Against Indiscipline, where he try to introduce now. 2 things are involved. Make we weigh the lifestyle of people that time. How people they live that time? Were they jobs? Were they amenities? At least people go feel say yes, these things they are available. Those are the questions we will ask ourselves. Okay, bring them down to the present reality. So you get all these things available compared to then. Then the question we say, what exactly are we addressing under this government? If we had a fair government, we say, fine, things were fair then, things were going well, and for that reason, you introduce the law just to do it, to curb people's indiscipline act for the society. But what about now? We know so we get, in as much as we get the discipline, this thing, but don't you think we have a much more bigger problem where we're supposed to do it in the address, rather than to introduce something where we say, if we look in all from all these things, we don't know as it will take relate to, as it will take affect the people, not positively. We don't know as it will take, so okay, they change the life of people. Considering the challenges where they face right now. That is it. I mean, how do you think we'll succeed with that in this government?
I know. See, I need to bring my voice down because I don't understand. I know everyone. We get government. No, I need to understand. We get government.
I'm getting confused myself.
Because the statement talks, okay, with the high rate of
insecurity, violence, and
kidnapping. Now, we get Nigerian police force. We get the Civil Defense Corps. We get the Nigerian Army. We get agencies where we say their responsibility now to ensure, for example, the Army, territorial integrity and corporate existence of Nigeria, police, civil order. Now, we know, say, police, then train them, they give them gun. Police, they complain, say, okay, to do our work, we get plenty challenges. Now, you can't talk, say, war against indiscipline. You won't carry new set of people to go and fight indiscipline. Say, insecurity, kidnapping, and all these problems like that.
So we don't already get people, just as talk, people, that not their responsibility. Okay, the thing where you suppose probably they bring out, the angle where we suppose they bring our from, okay, this fund, or probably this money where you want throw into this new project, where you call them War Against Indiscipline, and people will go work under them. What thing will stop us from saying, okay, this particular money, make we invest time into what we lack for the security unit, for police, for army and other these things, so they will feel they strengthen to at least say that they fight this issue, rather than carry and entirely introducing such a day where we say we know say yes there are disciplines in society and there are people where we say that their responsibility to handle them. Yet you can't introduce something. How far these people won't go with this particular one? And make also be in mind say. One of the reasons why people also see, okay, our opinion might vary in this case. People see War Against Indiscipline in 1984 something maybe say yes, it's very laudable. It bring people to order. But then we can also look the other side of it. War Against Indiscipline for that same time, he also bridge our own human rights activities, which of course will they very very vulnerable, right? Will they very very useful now. Okay, if they bring in a particular system, we say it will stop us from not speaking out when we need to speak out. It will stop us from not demanding certain things when we need to demand them, when we're supposed to demand for. Then, what is the whole essence of democracy? Now, the question we ask ourselves, this is not the right fight we're supposed to fight. There are very important fights we're supposed to fight. And ultimately, we pay attention to. War Against Indiscipline will not add anything. You're not going to pay food to somebody's table. Pick it up.
Not be picking. Pick what up? Continue picking. What am I picking up? No, what am I picking up?
Chukwudi, see.
What am I picking? Why?
Listen.
Wait now.
See, I understand.
To fight Fulani S-men, in the pipeline.
That is what.
True of us.
Listen.
In the pipeline.
Listen, at the vex right now. Even I know.
To give Nigerians stable power. In the pipeline.
Even on top of my case, on top of the fact that my people, if you talk past your matter, I will. Hey, I can't even use that word.
To stop kidnapping in the pipeline.
At the vex, don't let me explain that.
So the of Aisha, when they kidnap the only of people, now he use the whole leg, waka come back. To create job in the pipeline. So that Nigerians go sleep well for night. In the pipeline.
What is the latest?
Which line?
What is the latest?
Which line?
There's the latest now.
Budget party.
They say
2016 budget.
It is not what?
It was not budget.
It was not budget.
You know the pipeline. Now, War Against Indiscipline, now I know the pipeline. The question is, say, if we talk, say, okay, Nigerians, we dey indiscipline, we want to do certain things, we go make everybody behave themselves. It no dey too much. You get other climes, you get other countries where we say, they don't use system when work for them. And this system, now system when we say, every responsible society, the thing go work. If you say, my person no cross express, you can't build footbridge.
Thank you very much.
Now, anybody will come cross the express without using the footbridge.
You know what they normally
notice? You don't the person get mental problem.
No, I don't notice what way they always play out for Oshodi. Enter where they come this thing over the weekend, if they come back. You go see all these same people in their uniforms. Not in their own prayer to make somebody cross. Let's see. No, me not come out. No, they see whether I go cross. People, when somebody they informed about that particular system. When they informed about waiting they run for crossing. You know, in any way. Enlighten the public, say, okay, these things are wrong. Anybody caught find violating this particular law, say, we'll see what we go do. No enlightenment program to tell Nigerians ahead. Okay, give us the monitor. Okay, wait, make it cross. God, make it cross. Make it cross. Now don't bang. Can't they expect make you do it, make you pay one kind of money or make you do it? Come on. What is the meaning of all that?
Nkubi.
Let's tell ourselves the beautiful truth.
Nkubi, I need you to be sincere and truthful to me. What are we doing? Where are we going to in this country?
The point is, this is what we are heading.
No, where are we going to?
I believe.
In policy of 31 years ago, now we can't come again.
I believe.
Where are we going to?
Look, I believe so. We will definitely get this thing right. But this steps is all they take. Now I don't understand. But we will definitely get this change mantra, this change dream right. We will get them.
Your arguments no hold water.
No, now you ask me.
You go get them right, and you dey use method when no go work. How is it possible?
That's why we need to also.
You won't pass for exam. Meanwhile, you know they attend class, you know they read book, you know get notes. How is it possible? No, it's a question. How is it possible?
I understand, Chukwudi, you don't do. I understand.
No, where are we getting to?
I'm confused myself.
Where is our 5,000? Where are the jobs? Are we secure? Are we secure?
Chukwudi,
now, war against indiscipline. What's going on? Who could be? No, 10 Nigerians. 10 Nigerians. Now, 2016 budget was not padded. What is going on? What is going on? No, what is going on?
That's the same question I asked myself.
You know, if you ask the question, are you going to answer the question?
No,
you must answer this question. No. You must answer this question.
No, because right now...
You must answer this question.
Right now, I am in a fix.
You cannot be in a fix. You cannot be in a fix. It's you and your people that put us in this particular situation that we are facing today.
This fix, we will definitely come out.
Where we want to come out?
We will.
You there inside well.
We will come out from
You can't use digger. They dig more.
There are alternatives.
How do you want to come out?
There are alternatives.
Is it not that you're supposed to climb out?
There are alternatives.
War against indiscipline. What if the factors when they cause indiscipline? People they hungry. People no get job. People know they safe.
People know they're enlightened. People know they're educated.
Fight that war. Fight those wars. Why? What's going on? No. Nkubi, you have to explain to Nigerians. No, you have to explain to Nigerians because this was not what you were saying before the election. Even after the election, this was not what you were saying. What's going on?
We are still trying to.
We are. Una can't even sound like ambulance. We are.
I don't think I see waiting this government don't cost.
What did it cost you?
I mean, I came into the system with a very good intention.
Which intention?
Yeah, this government go do it. Go bring the required change when Nigerians want.
Which intention? Intention?
Now break with one go.
Now they tell me say break. We are. Before now they sound like police, ambulance. We. Now we are. We shall.
Go break abeg.
We break. Tell us about war against indiscipline. What's going on?
Am I not talking?
What are you talking?
Yes, and welcome back. For our viewers who watch us for Star Times, channel 195, GoTV channel 98, and free to air, that is channel 57. And if you also watch us for My TV channel 17, or if they watch us online, that is www.wazobiatv.tv/live. And the program now AS E DEY HOT. And what will they talk about today? Will they look at the relaunch? May I call it relaunch? The relaunch of War Against Indiscipline. And the issue can be say, now this kind of war we truly need. Chukwudi still there studio, and very soon we'll open our phone line so that at least now if you call, contribute, and also give our own opinion on top of this particular matter. So Chukwudi, back to you.
Maybe you are not taking anything back. Take it back to your people. Go and tell them that Nigerians want. No. Go and tell your people that Nigerians want this government to address important issues that are affecting us.
That is, we've said it here.
We said what? How you go tell me say insecurity, kidnapping,
at the highlight
terrorism. You can't talk about war against indiscipline. You won't use fight them. We know that discipline they're very, very key. But we also get what they call scale of preference. Scale of preference now as things take the biting for body. We tell you people they lose their jobs. People don't be sleep well for night. The country hard. Prices they go up. Salary still remain where it is. Some even they cut them with waiting sharpers cutlass. And you come say war against indiscipline. When we get agencies what's supposed to what they're supposed to do. The ones who supposed to fight against terrorism and all of them, and they complain say they know they do their work well because you don't give them the equipment. No efficient service delivery. And they come again with what? Now what the government supposed to do with this? You give people money when they go hajj with $1. People when want to do business, you don't give them. What are we talking about? What sort of defensive policies is this?
From what now they saying, Chukwudi, this present government, just like say, I don't know, but making no business, I will just talk with now, I don't want to talk. But just like say this government really, no, I shall talk say they don't really get mapped out plan of what they really want to do. Or rather, if they then get, maybe they just deliberately ignore what they're supposed to do. They satisfy their own interest. They do what they feel say they're appropriate from their own mind. Because we have issues coming up. We have realities, issues coming up, becoming very, very enormous, becoming big every day. Excuse me. We need to look for a way to do it and address this.
You don't
address these key issues.
See, as they use cough in discipline. You see, in discipline.
How is that related to this?
How is it not related? When they come up with different policies, you're using discipline, treat your cough now. Using discipline, treat your cough.
I have the floor.
Use discipline to treat your cough.
Let me talk.
Use it to treat your cough.
Let me talk.
Talk what? Tell Nigerians what? Tell Nigerians.
What do you want? Tell Nigerians now.
Tell them the truth.
See me at the life for Nigerians.
Tell them the truth.
What truth? I need the life for them now.
Are you people ready for government at all?
Yes, I believe you are.
You believe?
I believe you are. But
15 months and you believe
the
you
way
are.
they are going about it now is wrong.
15 months, you just believe.
It's wrong.
15 months, you
and
just believe.
those bad system, bad egg where they enter into the system. Now they cause all these things. And sometimes I don't even know some kind of policies where they just look from nowhere. Something was done through years back. They'll go bring them back. I mean, it does not. They help. I beg. They help. Nigerians are getting tired every passing day. We won't tell ourselves. Nigerians don't tired. Nigerians they tired. Let us even make we get a clue of what I want to do for Nigerians. No, to just go and fight against corruption. Well, how far have you gone? Okay, other things when I see I want to see. How far have you gone? Pardon. The same party were very visible before Nigerians. Now, the latest news say there's no longer party. There was nothing like party. Come on. 500 and something billion naira. Hi! Chukwudi.
Nkubi, no, you need to see. I will keep telling you to tell your people. I will keep
that. You and I are here to tell them.
No, I'm telling you.
Because the government is no longer a government of one individual.
No.
It is now a government of a nation, collectively, and it involves me and you and everybody.
I will continue to speak for Nigerians, but I will continue to encourage you to tell your people.
It is our job now. Our job to speak for Nigerians.
No.
It is also our job to at least call the government to order. Say government now they get it right.
But the way when you speak to these Nigerians, no be so you be so you be speak before election. Because before election, you were speaking with loads of promises. 5,000 jobs, 2 million jobs.
And I talk here to those
2 million jobs. When we not even, the one where even we manage get, we don't lose them. And we have been telling us of 2 million jobs. What is going, job as what? No, job as what? Oh, this one go follow for job. War Against Indiscipline, employment, Nigerians. We must continue to participate for government. So that those when we say they don't do what we want them to do, we go call them to order. And if they're not ready, we go show them say that we get the power to put people for there or come up people for there. What's going on?
And that is where the responsibility falls on us. And
it's not you fall on you to tell your people
you know
to do what is right. What do you mean?
Una don't hear and we've said enough. I and Chukwudi, we don't talk. I beg, we beg una. Una make promises. Those promises we will make they see signs of them. Right now, and that one of the latest we they hear we say they blame government of one particular years back. Now don't come from Jonah era. They blame Jonah. Come they throw them back to one particular military era. Come on.
How do we say na IBB?
IBB era. Now be the cause of this problem. Come on. What are you there for? After all, if they blame a particular government, all these people were also part of. If you look the origin of the Nigeria, they were also part of a government right from time. Either as House of Rep this thing, or during the era of Shagaya and all that. What are we not saying? All these people have always been a part of the government. When they talk, they call this side, come out your side, as if all of us know what happened.
This same Audu in the government. This same Audu baby, one time PDP chairman.
Thank you very much.
This
because
same Audu baby, Minister of Agriculture.
And the sign of agriculture, when they even see diversification. Why are we diversifying?
We want to import grass.
Why are we diversifying into war against discipline? Is that the means of providing jobs for Nigerians? Yes. Thank you very much.
What it be? Yes, thank you very much. What are you thanking them for? What have they done? Yes, thank you very much.
Because Nigerians don't understand the tone why they take.
Which tone they thank people? We dey here, they complain, you do, they thank. You cannot speak to your people that, are you thanking them for giving us
ahead of their cause.
Which ahead of which cause?
Yes, Nkubi. Yes, you are saying the right thing.
Our people in the house now, we appreciate it. Some of them are even generator that they use, they watch us. Even minister in children, they get it trash. It can't be this thing. If minister for power children, they get it trash. What is going to happen to we will become rich?
You know, you're the latest. For sure.
What happened for you?
Deputy.
What happened for you?
No, now. Yes. And the training issue there.
For you. I know Oshun no river pay now. They know they pay.
No, even our papa that one. You can't wait one of their top politicians, top leader talk.
What did he talk? Tell Nigerians who men Nigerians know
now. It will sound better in your mouth.
No, tell Nigerians where they know.
No, I will not. Chukwudi, you know who we are. We know the fear.
We know the fear.
We know the fear.
We are 10 Nigerians.
We know the fear.
10 Nigerians where they hear.
We know the fear at all.
At all. We will not be afraid. We speak for the people.
Yes.
Especially you. We are talking.
They talk say, it got what they affect them. Say the government actually say, no, they pay them again.
Well, we know say the country, the way things it be like say the thing strong. But we could just pray, say, because like Nkubi don't.
The point is, what are they there for? They took up a responsibility. They should find a way to address the responsibility. The people say, I feel do something, I feel do something, I feel do something. I can find solution to this thing. Okay, come down. You can't say, but when I be there also, they see this thing differently. But now, people say, I wouldn't want that. Now, don't tell us I would do. I fix those problems. I fix them.
But Nkubi, say, how you go reach out to your people now?
They hear us now.
No, you because you do. They hear the voice of Nigerians and me. When we say with the lead, but you now when we say
one believe say some top organs they hear us. They will carry the message, go pass across to the president and the rest people. When they for government, say, see, Nigerians are partying. We get any call? We got Oga Solomon. Good morning.
Anna.
We dey fine.
Wow. First of all of them they make me laugh for Nigeria. First of all, why are they fearing? I could walk when they will flog everybody, that's what they fear for. If now people now went to Nigeria by now for don't go village, go do juju. When they say they flog you, you know they pay you. You get jobs when they do like that for some kind of village. If you get that for your body, when they flog you, Koboku, you know go pay you. Then I wait till I suppose what they do by now.
Okay. What they do now?
The truth is, War Against Indiscipline, the question is that, is it a good thing? Yes, not a good thing.
Okay.
People need to be disciplined, and like law and order. But at the end of the day, you know to creating another agency or something, when you have like the police, or what we call it, the other guys call, is it civil something? You know, you
civil
have those
defense,
guys already, right? All you need to do now, they're supposed to enforce all those things. They do their work well. That's discipline.
Yes.
Now, my question about this government, right? Me, I support Buhari right from time. Okay? I did disappointed. Like waiting what that honorable said, right? If they let this budget pattern go, which I know say, according to what from one of the newspapers, they say the president said there's something like pardon. If that thing go right, I not get. You know what? My respect for Buhari is gone. It's gone totally. And let me tell you, Nigerians, these politicians, they don't say all we have now. We also they talk. We don't get action. In as much as we talk, we not if they back up and talk with action. Nothing go fit change. For change to come now, Ethiopia now, they do protest for Ethiopia. They don't kill 100 people. Yet they don't give up. They still protest. But Nigerians will leave our hearts because of Nkubi. Issue one and big star. When we drink every time, we don't get liver to go to carry out civil and disobedient. Protest are one of the way I see the hammer around. We know they for America here, come live America, come call Nigeria, come carry the fight. You understand me? I think comfortable here already. You know? So that's just the matter there, you know. So, Chukwudi.
Sir.
When you talk, let's say you be PDP man, when your PDP, they chop money, they scatter everything. You know, talk that time again.
No, but Oga Solomon, the funny thing be say.
I'm not the APC guy, I'm not the APC guy. You're the true Nigerian.
No,
yes.
The true Nigerian is supposed to be attacked your party that time.
No, Oga Solomon, the problem now be say those people when chop the money that time. He be like say they don't come up from under umbrella now. They don't carry broom. He come be like say they be sent. Now the argument now.
Solomon, thank you very, very much for this contribution and make you all continue to at least pass the message across for this thing for Chicago where you did about As E Dey Hot. We get Oga Polycarp. Oga Polycarp, good morning. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
We hear you, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Yes, we hear you.
And Nkubi, I like your side today because you know they follow their party they do now.
Thank you.
Because say Buhari is still confused because if he find different, he knows a bit difference between military regime and the civil regime. Otherwise, you think they can impose anything they like on Nigerians. Time don't pass that time where they do that W.A.I and the Kain and all those things. The government is even indisciplined. The party is indisciplined. The budget which is not passing time and the ministers where he puts square peg in around hole is not indisciplined. So let you know the secrets. We know things so. See the thing will happen for house. You know what's anything there. So God, I don't know where to start. But see fuel prices. This month they said the fuel is going to be around 155 naira per liter. Here in Ezugwu, it's like 250 naira per liter. And maybe next week it will 500 naira. So things are going from bad to worse every day, and they're talking about discipline. Workers are not being paid their salary. Nothing is moving. Bad roads everywhere. And then you're talking about discipline. I remember one particular point some years ago. The one governor of Lagos say that dirty car owners will be fined. So the Catholics is not trying to say, what will be the fine for dirty roads? Because the dirty roads are being about dirty cars. So make the chain where they put on the fact they put on our neck now, not change. The chain. Let them come out the roll weather for our eyes, what is come to about the spec weather for our eyes. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. Right about now, make we go for this quick break. And when we come back and the matter continues as it is hot.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.